What are you staring at me for? Yo, welcome another day, another vlog. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a grilled cheese sandwich. Very simple dish, and I'm gonna teach you how to do it. So let's get into it. First off, we need the ingredients. We got the butter and cheese, and then we get the bread. And lastly, for the cooking equipment, we need a pan. We are just gonna pick 2 slices of bread and we get a slice of cheese. Little ah. Cook this for maybe 2 minutes on each side. If the toast is golden brown enough, then flip it. Low heat, remember, because if you put it on high heat, most likely the bread will burn. Now it's time, now we flip it. Oh yeah, also apply the butter for the other side. Flip. Yes, we are cooking. Golden toast, butter toast. And I'm gonna cook the other bread and gonna put the cheese and we're gonna be done. Oh, that is hot, that is hot, that is hot. Whoa. Put the bread in. I'm becoming a chef at this point. Taking my first beginner steps. Cut this butter goodness. And now I'm gonna apply the cheese on the bread earlier that we just cooked. And voila, you have it, grilled cheese, ladies and gentlemen.
Grilled cheese, if you please.
I'll say, I think I did pretty well, but I really don't know how to melt the cheese. Suggest me how to melt the cheese in the comments, please. And here's a bonus one.
We're gonna make toast
And put peanut butter on it. Yeah, my cousin Gian told me to.
first.
Okay. Okay. Good. Now put the bread in. Ow. And the same thing as usual, cook it for 2 minutes for each side. While the toast is cooking, I'm gonna take my first bite.
Are you serious right now?
Ah, that's pretty good.
Bro!
It's not the best food I've ever eaten from what I cook. 7.5 out of 10. Oh, I missed the landing. Now we apply the peanut butter. But well, do it yourself then. Come on, just do it. Come on. Alright, that is it for this video. Please
Like and
subscribe. Bye.
Grilled cheese sandwich.